can't make up your mind, please don't waste my time. I'm not trying to rewind, I wish our hearts could come together.